Only you can change your life. No one can do it for you. Hey guys, if you are new in this channel, kindly like it and subscribe it because all correct information you will get from this channel only. So today I brought important topic for you, and that is IDBI. So in this video we will see what is full form of IDBI, when it was established, what is function of IDBI, what is objective of IDBI, and what is current situation of IDBI in 2021, and at last we will see what is conclusion of this video. So guys, full form of IDBI is Industrial Development Bank of India. Mostly in the competitive exams it comes what is full form of IDBI and when it was established. Now we will see when it was. So IDBI was founded on 1st July 1964. IDBI has 5 regional offices. They are in Kolkata, Guwahati, New Delhi, Chennai and Mumbai. Besides this, bank has 21 branch offices. And one information is here that is very important. IDBI is the 10th largest bank in the world in terms of development. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The main objective of establishing this bank is providing financial assistance to industrial enterprises. After the establishment of SIDBI, Small Industrial Development Bank of India, in 1990, the responsibility of granting loans to small-scale industries was taken from IDBI and given to SIDBI. The Government of India turned IDBI into a corporation and converted it into commercial banking company to bring improvement in its working and expanding its functions. And again, an ordinance was issued by RBI on 11th October 2004, and IDBI was declared a scheduled bank according to Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. In this picture we can see that zero balance account opening online 2020. IDBI doesn't work only in core banking services. Apart from this, it also deals in other financial services like bond trading, equity broking and depository services. As IDBI is an universal bank, IDBI Bank Limited touches the lives of millions of Indians through a wide array of banking products and services. So guys, mostly I brought information that is true, and now we will see functions of IDBI. So there are 4 important functions of IDBI. They are: first one is direct financial assistance, second one is indirect financial assistance, third one is development assistance, and fourth one is promotional functions. And now we will see features of IDBI. This is very important. Let's see one by one. So first one is here, assistance to small scale industries. Means IDBI mostly provides loans, facility, financial securities to small scale industries according to their need. Our second point is here, assistance to backward area. It means its ambition is to provide loan to the backward area people. And third one is here, soft loan scheme. It means concessional loan is provided by IDBI to its customers. And fourth one is technical consultancy organization. It means time to time it provides technical guidance to its customers so that they can improve in its business. Now we will see what are the different products of IDBI. So they are here: investment banking, consumer banking, commercial banking, retail banking, asset management, pensions, and credit cards. Some information I have taken from Google for latest information. Life Insurance Corporation of India, that is LIC, got a technical go-ahead from the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAL, that is short form of that, to increase stake in IDBI Bank up to 51%, controlling stake on 21st January 2019, making it the majority shareholder of the IDBI Bank. Reserve Bank of India clarified in a press release dated 14th March 2019 that IDBI Bank stands recategorized as a private sector bank for regulatory purposes with effect from 21st January 2019. And guys, few more information I brought for you people. They are: so guys, let's see what is conclusion of this topic IDBI. Many regional institute finds their roots in IDBI like SIDBI, Indian Exim Bank, National Stock Exchange, and National Security Depository Limited, etc. So guys, I tried my best for preparing one video. It takes mostly 10 days. So if you like my hard work, then like it and subscribe it, and also send it to your friends, because my ambition is here. At the time of Corona, many students are unable to do study. For that purpose, I am preparing one by one video so that at home they can cover their topics. Thank you.